tonight I have an item that you don't really think about. That is wood screws. Wood screws are extremely expensive in my opinion. If you go buy drywall screws, which is my utility screw, you get 5 pound of those for about $20. I think that's amazingly expensive, but it's the going rate. Pretty universal rate too. So in addition to drywall screws, a lot of times I need smaller screws. I went to Harbor Freight and found these on sale. Got a bunch of different sizes. Number 6.5 to number 10, 1.5. There's 10 of each size, and that isn't a whole lot. The heads on these are called Phillips flatheads. So have you a nice countersink, and they'll go down in it below the surface of the wood. I bought a pack of these, 120 screws. If you build stuff, 120 screws don't do you a long time. Found these at Harbor Freight on sale for about $2.50. So at 120 pieces, that's about 2 cents a screw. That's actually pretty good price overall. Zinc plated carbon steel, and it comes in this nice package that I like very much. I bought 4 of these, so I've got 480 screws. That'll do me for quite some time. And they're organized by size, so I'll know when I'm low on one. And buying this I did for a couple of reasons. One, I needed the screws, and they were cheap. 2, I wanted the packs. I can take 4 packs and put into one, and I've still got plenty of room in it. But then I've got 3 packs I can use for other things. Once I have 3 extra packs to hold stuff in, I can put different labels here and use them to sort different sizes of screws. So it comes in a nice handy case, nice variety of sizes. Like I said, it's not something you really think a whole lot about. Normal price in this is $5. It was half price at $2.50. Item 67579. They also have a brass assortment, but they weren't on sale, so I didn't get them. I'll wait till they go on sale. So it isn't something you really think a whole lot about, is having a variety of screws around. But if you're working on small projects, and a lot of small projects, these come in really, really handy. So I recommend these. To me, it's a very cheap way to get screws. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.